We're in Sweden today, we're in Visby, and we're gonna go for a bit of a walk. We're not gonna go far today. I've got a training later this afternoon, so just had lunch. We ported here at about 7 a.m. this morning. Actually, no, that's not true. We ported here about 9 a.m. this morning. We're currently about 1 o'clock. Just gonna go up to the top deck, try to get some shots of the area, and then go for a very short walk just outside because I gotta meet my training. And yeah, I'll show you a little bit of Sweden. We're in Visby, which is a little island that's part of Sweden. And tomorrow we'll actually be in Stockholm, so really looking forward to that. Okay, now we're at the port in Visby, in Sweden. And there's the beautiful Sky Princess. Such a gorgeous ship. And we're actually ported alongside the USS Arlington today, which is sailing Icelandic waters on its own mission and itinerary. So that's pretty interesting. That boat is over 600 meters as well. I mean, it pales in comparison to the Sky Princess, but quite an interesting ship. I'm gonna get closer to it and show you a little bit closer up as well. You can see how the boats are docked up, tied on, and anchored as well. And the Arlington next to us. There is actually a museum apparently on this ship as well, of its own accord. American history and whatnot. The ship is entirely gray for the most part, a little bit of white. And up front, on top, they've got a chopper. My goodness. What do these birds eat? They have 3 choppers, 4, and maybe more. I could only see this one in front of us from the ship, but they've got a few on there. Let's get higher up. Guests that have either stuck around or come back early from the port. We don't actually leave this port until about 7 o'clock. All aboard is at 6:30. But it is chilly. If you're not in the sun, it's windy and chilly today. So there we go. We got a better view of the USS Arlington. Swedish flag on there. I'm sure you can hear that. It's quite windy up here on the 16th deck of the Sky Princess. And there's the US flag at the back. There's the port that I was just on before. Views are pretty great up here, but it is windy. side there. We also use our lifeboats as tender boats as well. So if we're far from port and we can't have access like a dock or a terminal like this that can take us right into town, usually we might part a little bit out at sea, not too far, and then we'll take our lifeboats to tender into the terminal or other ports. We might actually be doing that tomorrow morning in Stockholm. That remains to be seen and decided, but at this point we're hoping to get into a port and a dock that will take us close enough, then it's not an inconvenience, because unfortunately it is quite an inconvenience to have to set up tenders. Guests don't particularly like it. Although it is an experience, it adds to the cruising experience. However, it's just more of an inconvenience rather than just getting off the ship and then going into the town or place that you want to go, rather than having to get on the tenders, go into a port, disembark those, and then onto your tour or whatever else you're doing that day as well, and then have to reverse to come back. But it's fun. I like it, actually. Just like I said, it adds to the other experience. It's another way of transport. But there you go. There's your USS Arlington next to the beautiful Sky Princess in Visby, Sweden. And I'm gonna go back inside because it is chilly.